Suppose a function myfunc is defined in a file myfile.x. So myfunc is defined in myfile.x, which is hash included in a file myfile1.x. So it is included in this file. Now in your program file, if you hash include both myfile.x and myfile1.x, the compiler flashes an error multiple declaration for myfunc. Myfile.x hash if and diff slash myfile slash h uh, hash define slash myfile slash h myfunc some code bracket complete and hash and if. First time the file myfile.x gets included, the preprocessor checks whether a macro called myfile.x has been defined or not. So first when it gets included, the preprocessor is checking that is that file is included or not. Next time we attempt to include the same file, the inclusion is prevented since myfile hex already stands defined. Note that there is nothing special about myfile hex. In this place we can use any other macro as well. So we can use any other macro as well. If and elif directives. The hash if directive can be used to test whether an expression evaluates to a non-zero value or not. So hash if directive is used for testing is it 0 or not 0. If the result of expression is non-zero, then the subsequent lines up to a hash else or a hash elif or hash and if are compiled, otherwise they are skipped. A simple example of hash if directive is shown below. Main hash if test is less than or equal to 5, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, hash else, statement 4, statement 5, statement 6, hash and if the expression test is more than or equal to 5 evaluates to true, then statements 1, 2 and 3 are compiled, otherwise statements 4, 5 and 6 are compiled. In place of the expression test is less than or equal to 5, other expressions like level is equal to high or level is equal to low or adapter is equal to CGA can also be used. So these are also expressions which can also be used. Now example, hash if adapter is equal to VGA, code for video graphics array, else hash if adapter is equal to SVGA. This is code for super video graphics array. Hash else code for extended graphics adapter. Hash end if end if. The above program segment can be made more compact by using another conditional compilation directive called hash elif. The same program using this directive can be rewritten as shown below. Observe that using hash elif directives, the number of hash and if used in program gets reduced. Hash if adapter is equal to VGA, code for video graphics array, else if adapter is equal to SVGA. This is code for super video graphics array. Hash else code for extended graphics adapter. Hash and if.